Welcome to our guide on realistic and legal online earning methods in Pakistan. In today's digital age, there are numerous opportunities to make money from the comfort of your home. Let's explore some of the most effective ways to earn online. First up is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to offer your skills in writing, graphic design, programming, and more. You can set your own rates and work with clients from around the world. Next, we have YouTube. Creating engaging content can lead to ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. If you have a passion or expertise, consider starting your own channel. Blogging is another great option. By sharing your knowledge or experiences, you can monetize your blog. You can monetize through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate links. Speaking of affiliate marketing, this involves promoting products and earning a commission.
It's a fantastic way to generate passive income. Remote jobs are also on the rise.
Many companies are now hiring for positions that allow you to work from anywhere. Websites like remote.co and We Work Remotely list various job opportunities. Digital services such as social media management, virtual assistants, and SEO consulting are in high demand. If you have expertise in these areas, you can offer your services online. Online tutoring is another lucrative option. If you're knowledgeable in a subject, consider teaching. Consider teaching students through platforms like tutor.com or Check. E-commerce is booming, and starting your own online store can be a great way to earn. Use platforms like Shopify or Etsy to sell products. With the rise of AI tools, you can leverage technology to enhance your productivity. Finally, consider passive income methods like creating online courses or writing ebooks. These can generate revenue long after you create it. Remember, the key to success in online earning is consistency and dedication. Explore these methods and find what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your online earning journey. Enjoy your new career path and financial freedom. There are more resources available than ever before to help you succeed. The digital future is bright, and you are part of it. Don't forget to stay updated with the latest trends and tools. See you in the next video.